Okay guys, we are in the Toyota Supra, A90 Supra. Here we go. Okay, so first thoughts. It's not extremely powerful, but it gets a little squirrely. It is pretty fun. Like the way the power gets delivered. It's not scary though by any means, you know, it's only a 385 horsepower car, something like that. Oh yeah, that pull was good. That was a good pull. I know everyone's gonna make fun of me wearing the gloves, but I have no choice. Stupid coronavirus. Gotta be safe as possible. It's very nice to have all this carbon fiber. Nice wide body scat pack. Wow, got very squirrely. Okay, here we go. We're going on the freeway. We have it in automatic mode right now. I like the way the transmission drives better, I think, in automatic actually. It's a very smooth ride. How about? It's a very fun car. Now I understand why everybody loves these cars. It's pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. The horn's kind of funny though. It does push you back in your seat. For such little power, it does really do that, and it's pretty fun. Now I can imagine this thing with the burble tune, and you know, man, this would be like an exhaust. My goodness, this car would be a blast. It really would be a blast. And the good part about it, it's very easy to see and drive out of. And it already had, yeah, loud pops from the factory. Alright guys, that's gonna do this for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.